how to get and keep Snapchat streaks. So if you want to get and keep the Snapchat streaks, then first let's see how the streaks work. So they're a fun way to keep track of how many days you and a friend have sent each other the snaps. Only photo and video snaps will count towards your streak, so any text chat sent will not count. Once you and a friend have consistently sent each other a snap for 3 or 4 days in a row, you will see a flame emoji and a number appear beside that friend's name in your Snapchat app. So in my case, I have the butterfly emoji, but in your case, you will have the flame emoji. So you will have the emoji, and then on the left side of that, you will have the number or the streak of how many days you've sent and received the snap. And streaks only work with individual contact, it won't work with groups. So if you want to keep a streak, then you and your friend need to both send each other a picture or a video snap every day. Within 24-hour period, you each need to send a minimum of one snap to each other to maintain the streak. So if you see an hourglass icon next to your friend's name, for example, here, in this case, you will have the hourglass emoji, right? So if you have this kind of hourglass emoji, then that means your streak is about to expire and you should send another snap soon. If you allow over 24 hours to pass without sending a snap to this friend, your streak will expire and you'll have to start over. It's fairly simple to get and keep a streak on Snapchat as long as you are consistent with it. So that's how you can get and keep Snapchat streaks. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.